Hello guys, welcome to this video. This is a quick unbox of the Ring indoor camera. This is a 1080p high definition video camera. Okay, it's a smart camera. I got it from Amazon. Let's take a look how it goes, how it works. Right, it works with Alexa. You can see here the information works with Alexa. It's pretty good. So you're gonna see this camera on your cell phone. You don't need to use a computer or something. Let me just unbox. It comes here with the seal. Just remove it. So here you go. Pretty new one. And unboxing. Here we go. Oh, I see the camera at first. Nice. Here we go. Okay, it comes with the paperwork. Of course, you wanna see always with those cameras some stickers like this one, and the paperwork comes usually with the user guide. So that's what I have here, and just leave it here, right? And then what else come here? Oh, of course, I have a power brick or power adapter, so I can connect the device to power. And here, what else I see it? Oh, some screws. Okay, so you can install your camera somehow. And here the cable, okay, USB. So you have USB here, and the other side you have mini or micro USB, something like that. But basically you're going to connect to your camera somehow, right? So I don't know where yet. Let me just investigate here. Here we go. There we go. You connect here to power your camera, and you're ready to go. Okay. So here, just remove this paper, and you have your camera ready to go. And okay, it changed position here. Let me just put it here so you can see how it works. So basically, you can do this with the camera and put in the position that you want. And here's there some locks. Okay, you can lock the camera. So here is locked, and I have to turn, and here I unlocked the camera. Here we go. Now you have the lens, and it just adjusts your camera the way you want, the position that you want, like this, right? So I'm gonna take a look at this later and power it on and test a little bit more. But at first, I like it because it's a small device. You see here how small it is. It has the microphone, has a lens, and also a speaker, and a connection for the power. And you can put like this, stand like this. Okay, comes with all the paperwork, cable, and everything that you need to connect and make it work. Usually you just connect your cell phone and make it work pretty fast, right? So that's just a quick unbox. Later I'm gonna make more videos. I hope you like it. If you want one like this, go to Amazon and get yours.